Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when on Xbox No Man's Sky keeps crashing and how to fix this. Let's get started. First, on your game, just press your menu button on your controller, and then from here just click on manage game and add-ons. Once you do this, you have to click on save data and then click on your data and then click on delete all. Now make sure you select delete from console, do not select delete everywhere. Just click on this and then hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.